Hello everyone, welcome to S Racing's racing chair installation video. Today I will show you how to install this chair. To begin with, we will introduce you to the number of parts that we'll need to use. On the assembling instruction paper you'll see that A is for our wheels right here, and B for the foot, C for the seat control, D for our telescope, and E for our backrest, F for the seat, G for the plastic covers, H for our screws right here, L for the handle, and J1 and J2 for the lumbar support and headrest. Now for the first step in our installation process, let's get this out of the way first and get our foot. Turn it upside down, take one of the fields and just push it in. Do this for each side of the foot. Quite clear and plain simple. Don't need to apply too much pressure, you just gotta get it right. Turn it back upside down. Take our gas lift, put it down. Put the telescope over it, and we're done. After our first part is done, we put the foot to our side and we bring the seat back to the middle. Now we're going to attach our backrest to the seat. But before we get started doing that, you should know that we should not touch this handle as yet, as this has very strong hydraulics that could snap without having a backrest attached to it. Now to attach the backrest to the seat, just gotta put it in between those two handles. Align them to where the screws are meant to go into. Put two of them here. And one more there. Same goes for the other side. We can use our handle that was provided in the tools to really tighten it up. Tighten the other side as well. And that's it for the second part. Now for our next step, we need to install the seat control, and to do that, let's just get this way. And take our seat control, and pay attention to the mark that says front. That should be facing towards the front of the chair. And we get couple of screws again. Put one in there. Take another one, put one in there. A couple more to put here. And as before, we use our handle to tighten them up. Alright, that's it for installing the seat control. For our next step, we're going to piece together our part 1 and part 3, which means we're going to get our foot, put it in the middle, and we're going to piece that together with our seat. This one's a little tricky. You need to grab it by the sides, make sure where the hole goes, and put it on top of the seat control. Alright. We take our screw, put it at the tip of our tool first, and then you make sure you align those right, and you just push it in there. Hold it with your one hand, support it, and twist with the other. same for the other side. Put it on top. Make sure they align correctly. Oops. And then twist. Alright, then we take our headrest and just put it over the top, twist it as you like. Then we get our lumbar support and we attach it from behind the cushion for your back. Just need to hear the click and it should be fine. Now that we're done with installing the chair, now you can enjoy your S-Racing racing chair. And to introduce you some of the functions, there's a handle here to adjust the backrest back and forth. And there's another lever here to adjust the height of your chair, but also you can pull it out to have more control over the rocking of it, and then when you push it in, it's locked. There's also another one here that you can adjust to control how much the chair will be rocking. Now that I've tightened it and it's out, but it's not rocking so much, and you can adjust that as well. Apart from those, you can adjust your armrests to the height that you want.